Hello everyone, I'm Sophia, and welcome to Sofia DIY Materials. Let's begin by preparing the base of roads and
If you enjoy miniature buildings, handmade crafts, and creative ideas that you can make at home, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how this project comes together step by step using simple materials and a little creativity. We begin by preparing all the pieces carefully. Taking your time during this stage helps create a cleaner and more professional result. Every small detail matters, and even simple materials can become something amazing when assembled with patience. Now we start building the main structure. As you can see, each piece is placed carefully to create a strong foundation. This is one of my favorite parts because the project slowly starts taking shape, and you can really see the idea coming to life. Next, we add more details and decorations. Details are what make miniature projects look realistic and unique. Whether it's the walls, windows, roof, or decorative elements, each addition helps tell a story and makes the final creation more interesting. While working on DIY projects, remember that there is no single perfect way to create something. Feel free to experiment with different colors, materials, and designs. Creativity grows when you try new ideas and make each project your own. Now, the project is almost complete. We are making the final adjustments and checking every section carefully. These finishing touches may seem small, but they can make a big difference in the overall appearance. Look at how everything comes together. It's always satisfying to see a project transform from simple materials into a beautiful, handmade creation. DIY crafting is not only fun, but also a great way to learn new skills and express creativity. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I hope this project inspires you to create something amazing on your own. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Sofia DIY Studio for more miniature building projects, creative DIY crafts, and handmade ideas. See you in the next video. Happy crafting and have a wonderful day.